Muhuraniri wa giturwa kia upresident na tigiti wa kiama kia Roots Party Professor George Wajackoyah ni muteti ukoretwo arehete ndereti njeru bururi-ini wa gukurikana makiria rikiraniro gia gukanetikiria ukuria wendia na uhuthiri wa bangi.
How will young people have hope of legalizing marijuana?
Mendekithia ma Wajackoyah makoneka kuguciririo regani makiria riu Uria wari muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kuhurana na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia NACADA John Mututho akiruta mahitia Wajackoyah.
Let him state in a language everybody can understand. Nobody disputes his 17 degrees, but I'm disputing his wisdom in advocating that cannabis can make the economy of Kenya revamp to an extent of being a super world. This presidential material person should pray for me too, so that I become a senator, so that I can impeach him.
Kuringana na Mututho, ukuria wa bangi ti undu ungihoteka gukinyanirio guku bururi-ini na ti undu ungimathira bururi umithio wa kimbeca ta uria kurerikana.
Nyasore of Kisii, that's the strong bangi there, is 50 times stronger than this cannabis are talking about in US and other places. So they are turned high with a 0.2%. Guys at Kisii and other places would have that for breakfast, just like cereals, at 0.2% THC.
Mututho nioritie honge cia ugitiri gwika mituki guikia ngono Wajackoyah kuna koretwo akiririria ciegie bangi king'ang'a-ini thengia bangi gukorwo tari njitikirie ni watho.
The DCI we have, the director is a straightforward person. Do your job. If Wajackoyah is having that stuff as proscribed by the act, lock him up and call us as your witness. We have a very, very big problem. We can't allow this discussion to go on that way.
Mabũrũri mangĩ maria metekeretie ukuria wa bangi ta Ethiopia na Jamaica makagwetwo kwa gukorwo magunikite kumana na ukuria uyu. Riu Mututho akiuga na guku bũrũri-ini gutire kiama kingĩringwo gia gutongio ni bangi na utuku.
How come a whole province in Ethiopia where cannabis is legalized or bangi is legalized is still suffering? Right here in our neighborhood. In fact, they are a headache to us. Those people have been involved in controlling this narcotic because they bring in tons that stuff. But are they any rich? How come Jamaica is not a superpower with all that cannabis that they have?
Ningĩ ũhũthĩri wa bangi nĩ ũgwetetwo ta ũgwati mũnene rĩu ĩkĩgiritanio na gũthũkia mbeũ njĩthĩ aingĩ amwe magĩtigwo nginyagia marĩ na mathĩna ma kĩmeciria.
It's a focused drug. If you think of having ugari, you can have as much as 3 kilograms. You decide to walk, you can decide to walk from here all the way 120 kilometers, and I've seen them do it.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.